Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, welcome back to E.V.S class. Children, today we learn about mobile houses. Said three types of houses are there: temporary houses, permanent houses, and mobile houses. Mobile houses all are already almost comes under temporary houses only. Okay, I'll explain. The mobile houses are used by the people who moves from one place to another place. Who will use these mobile houses? The mobile houses are used by the people who moves from one place to another place. Children, I'm saying, listen carefully. Some people keep moving from one place to another. Some people keep moving from one place to another, either due to scarcity of food and water, or extreme climate, or due to work. Why they are moving, children? Again, it's saying either due to scarcity of food and water, or extreme climate, or due to the work. Is it possible to carry their houses along with them, children? Is it possible to carry their houses along with them? If they live in permanent houses, it's not possible. If they're living in permanent houses, it's not possible. So they make temporary houses. So they can move from one place to another. So they make temporary houses that can be moved from one place to another. These mobile houses are built of transportable components. These houses are built of transportable components. Means we can carry that material that can be easily moved from one place to another. Some of these houses are built on wheels. Some of these mobile houses are built on wheels as well. I will explain later. The privilege of these houses is that it significantly reduces the time of construction. Again, I'm saying the privilege of this house is that it significantly reduces the time of construction and is sustainable in nature. These mobile houses sustainable in nature and they significantly reduce the time of construction also. Okay, children. Children, now we learn about caravans. Caravans are example for mobile houses. Okay, caravans are example for mobile houses. In the ancient times, some people used to carry their goods on bullock carts and camels. See this picture? They are carrying their goods on camels. In ancient days, some people used to carry their goods on bullock carts and camels. They used to move from one place to another place in groups. In groups, so many people are going at a time. See, they used to move from one place to another in groups in search of markets for their goods. They want to sell their goods in markets. So, they will move from one place to another in groups in search of markets for their goods. Such people are known as nomads. These people we are calling as nomads. Their moving houses were called caravans. Their moving houses were called caravans. Nowadays, a caravan refers to a special vehicle. Nowadays, caravan refers to a special vehicle which has all the facilities of a house. Nowadays, caravan refers to a special vehicle. So, which has all the facilities of a house. I'll explain. Listen carefully. See this is caravan of camels. This is calling we are caravan of camels. See this picture, children? A caravan. See this picture? A caravan. Some people travel from one place to another for their livelihood. I already explained. Some people keep moving from one place to another, either due to scarcity of food and water, or extreme climate, or due to the work. Okay, said some people keep moving from one place to another, either due to scarcity of food and water, or extreme climate, or due to work. So, some people travel from one place to another for their livelihood. So, they live in caravans. So, they want to move from one place to another place. So, they live in caravans. Caravan is a house on wheels. Caravan is a house on wheels. See this house? Caravan is a house on wheels. Nowadays, caravan refers to a special vehicle. Caravan refers to a special vehicle which has all the facilities of a house, which has all the facilities, bedroom, kitchen we are seeing, okay, which has all the facilities of a house. Okay, caravans are built on wheels. Caravans are built on wheels. This type of house is called a house of wheels. This type of house is called a house of wheels. It can be taken to any place and parked anywhere. It can be taken to any place and parked anywhere. Nomads are people who do not live permanently at a place. Nomads are people. I said who are the nomads? Before slide I explained na. Nomads are people who do not live permanently at a place. Nomads usually live in caravans. Nomads usually live in caravans. A caravan is type of temporary house. Caravan is a type of temporary house which can be moved from one place to another. Which can be moved from one place to another with the help of van. Okay, with the help of van or something. Okay. Children, now we learn about houseboat. Now we learn about houseboat. See this picture, houseboat. Looking beautiful, na? Houseboat. Some people live in houses near the bank of river or in a lake. They live in a lake. How can they live, children? They construct the houses on boats. These houses are called houseboats. Some people live in houses near the bank of river or in a lake. In a lake, how can we live, children? So they'll construct a house on boats. These houses are called houseboats. The houseboats are made of wood, ropes, straws and bamboos. They use this material for constructing the house on boat. In India, houseboats are found in Dal Lake in Kashmir and in Kerala. We can see these houseboats in Kashmir and Kerala. Such boats have all facilities of a house. Such boats have all facilities of a house. Boat houses float on water and have their own arrangements. Again, I'm saying boat houses float on water and have their own arrangements such as water tank for drinking and washing, a separate sewage tank, waste disposable system, etc. All the facilities they have. Said this such boats have all these houseboats have all facilities of a house. Okay. Houseboats usually see in Kerala and Kashmir. Houseboats are floating. Houseboat is a floating house on water bodies like lake. Houseboat is a floating house on water bodies like lake. They vary in size. They vary in size. Some are small, some are big. Okay, they vary in size. Some are small and some are big. Some people use it for vacation purpose. Some people use these houseboats for vacation purpose. And some live permanently in the boats. Some families they will live in permanently in the boats. Okay, children? Children, now we learn about igloo. Now we learn about igloo. These houses are also known as snow house. Igloos we are calling as snow house. Igloos are also known as snow house or snow hut. Igloos here we are calling as snow house or snow hut. Igloos are found in Greenland and Arctic region of Canada. We can see these igloos in Greenland and Arctic region of Canada. People who live in igloos are called Eskimos. People who live in igloos are called Eskimos. Igloos are made of snow and ice blocks. Igloos are made of snow and ice blocks. Though they are made of ice, they are warm inside. We are making this house with ice blocks. If you go inside, you feel warm. Though they are made of ice, they are warm inside. Did you understand, children? Igloos are houses built by Eskimos. Igloos are houses built by Eskimos with solid ice cubes in semicircular shape. In semicircular shape. Again, I am saying igloos are houses built by Eskimos with solid ice cubes in semicircular shape. They make such houses when they go for hunting. They make these houses, such houses, when they go for hunting. Igloo is made of blocks of hard snow. Igloo is made up of blocks of hard snow. People who live in such houses are called Eskimos. People who live in such houses are called Eskimos. Igloo is a snow house. Igloo is snow house. Normally seen Arctic region. Normally seen Arctic is region. It is usually dome shaped. It is usually dome shaped. People who live here are called Eskimos. People who live here are called Eskimos. Okay, children, did you understand? Igloos are also known as snow house or snow hut. Igloos are found in Greenland. This type of houses we can found in Greenland and Arctic region of Canada. People who live in igloos are called Eskimos. People who live in igloos are called Eskimos. Igloos are made of snow and ice blocks. Igloos are made of snow and ice blocks. Though they are made of ice, they are warm inside. If you go inside, feel warm. Okay, igloos are houses built by Eskimos with solid ice cubes in a semicircular shape. They make such houses when they go for hunting. They make such houses when they go for hunting. Igloos made up of blocks of hard snow. Igloos are made up of blocks of hard snow. People who live in such houses are called Eskimos. People who live in such houses are called Eskimos. Igloo is a snow house. Again I am saying igloo is a snow house. It is normally seen in Arctic region. It is usually dome shaped. Igloo is in dome shaped. People who live here are called Eskimos. People who live here are called Eskimos. Children, let us recall all the points what we learned in this lesson up to now. So let us recall. A house is a place where we live. What is a house? A house is a place where we live. House protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind, animals and thieves. House protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, animals and thieves. Houses are which are not fixed and can be carried from one place to another are called temporary houses. Houses which are not fixed and can be carried from one place to another are called temporary houses. Houses made of mud, straw and bamboos are called kacha houses. Houses made of mud, straw and bamboos are called kacha houses. They are also known as huts. Tents can be fixed at any place and when we required can be folded and taken to another place because tent is a temporary house. Tents can be fixed at any place and when we required can be folded and taken to another place. When people choose to live at one place for a long time, they build houses are called permanent houses. When people choose to live at one place for a long time, they build houses are called permanent houses. Pakka houses are also called permanent houses. I said already, Pakka houses are also called permanent houses. The mobile houses are used by the people who moves from place to place. The mobile houses are used by the people who moves from place to place. Some people travel from one place to another for their livelihood. For their livelihood, some people travel from one place to another place. They live in caravans. Such people live in caravans. Some people live in houses near the bank of river or in a lake. Some people live in houses near the bank of a river or in a lake. These houses are called houseboats. These houses are called houseboats because they are constructing the house on the boats. That's why this house we are calling as houseboats. People who live in very cold place live in igloos. People live in very cold place live in igloos. These houses are made of solid snow. Igloos are made of solid snow. Children, now I'll give you one activity. Draw the picture of igloo neatly. Draw the picture of igloo neatly. Thank you, children.